Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we'll be making shuku shuku. Shuku shuku is a Yoruba dessert made with coconuts. Let's get into it. So I first by getting my coconut and I crack it open. But for safety's sake, put it inside an oven so that the shell comes off on its own, just like this. And after that, you crack it open, remove the water and wash properly. Shuku shuku is something I learned during my industrial training when I was training at Transcorp. They said it's very popular among the Yorubas. I don't know if it is true. I have not heard the Yorubas make this before, but let's get into it. So I crack it open, I extracted the water. The water is not needed in this process. So we have to remove the back. I don't know how you're going to do it, but the main aim is to remove the dark parts. If you can use a grater, use the grater. If you can use a knife, just get the back off. And after that, we wash our coconut very properly so that it will look neat and looking white. After which we have finished washing our coconut, we start grating. This shuku shuku only needs very few ingredients that is already in our kitchen. It smells nice. The taste is out of the place like buns. Let's get on to it anyway. So I started with grating it. You have to use the smallest size of the grater to grate it. Don't worry, all the measurements and the recipe for this will be on the description. So you start by grating it, and after grating it, we set it aside, and then we start adding all our ingredients into it. After grating it, this is how it's supposed to look like. Shuku shuku. Then we start prepping our ingredients. You separate the egg yolk from the egg white. So into your coconut, we add 3 egg yolks into your coconut, and after that, you add 50 grams of icing sugar, half tablespoon of nutmeg, half tablespoon of salt, and half tablespoon of vanilla essence into it, and mix and fold very well so all the ingredients are properly mixed. After mixing your ingredients very well, you mix it properly to make sure that everything is well mixed. We start rolling it into tiny balls. You roll it like this. You can roll it to any shape and any size that you want. Just roll it properly and then place them on your baking tray on top of your baking paper and bake. Honestly, it came out very well. At first I was skeptical because of the looks, but believe me, the smell, the texture, everything was 10 over 10, and I recommend you try it too. If you know what this thing is or if you have made it before, please let me know in the comment section if I did well. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.